Good morning students. Patient with Isuraj Gupta में आपका स्वागत है. Today I am going to start chapter 2 exponents from standard 8. First of all, write introduction. A to power n. Here a equal to base and n equal to power, जिसे हम लोग इंडेक्स भी बोलते हैं. This one read as a rise to the power n. Okay, as example 2 to the power 3. So here base equal to 2 and power equal to 3. Is it clear? Hashtag some important rule. Some important rule. Your first rule is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. Here you see base are same, power are different. In this case, a base same, power will be added. A raised to the power m plus n. As example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. This equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2. It means 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 2 comes 5 times. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 or 16 to the 32. Its value is 32. In opposite sides, we check 2 to the power 3. It means 8 into 2 to the power 2 means 4. So 8 4 the 32. These values are equal. It means this one is written as this one and the value of this one equal to 32 and this is 32. Both results are same. It means this formula is true. Is it clear? Now second, a to the power m divide a to the power n. In this case, base are same, power are different, but it is in the form of divide. So a to the power m minus n. Okay. Now check. In this case, 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 equal to 2 to the power 1. Result is 2. But in other case, 2 to the power 3 means 8 divided by 4. This one is written as 8 by 4 and the value is 2. Both results are same. It means this one is true. Okay.
Sure.
Now theory rule, a raised to the power m raised to the power n. Here base is a or a raised to the power m and again a m raised to the power n. So in this case, a multiply with m and n. Okay, see example 2 to the power 2 raised to the power 3. So in this case, 2 to the power 2 into 3. This m n multiply to each other. Then 2 to the power 6 and the value of 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. Okay, so it's come 2 to the power 6 multiply with 2 and 2, it's a 34, 64, sorry, result is 64. Now fourth example, a raised to the power 0, value is 1. Okay, this is also rule. Okay, how a raised to the power 0 is 1? Proof देख लेंगे. LHS is a to the power 0. 0 is written as, how come 0? When same unit subtract from same unit. It means 0 is written as m minus m. So according to second rule, since a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So here a raised to the power m minus m. So this one is written as a to the power m divided by a to the power m. Divide form is also written as a raised to the power m and a raised to the power m. This one to this one cancel and the value is 1 RHS. ठीक है. Now rule 5. Rule 5 say a raised to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. Okay. See example of 4. Example of 4 is missing. Suppose 2 raised to the power 0. Value is 1. 2 into 3 into 5 raised to the power 0. Its value is 1. 1 to power 0 equal to 1. Etc. Okay. Now next, a raised to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by a. See example. 2 to power minus 1 equal to 1 by 2 to power 1 equal to 2. Example second, B number. It is A. 3 raised to the power minus 2. First of all, 1 by 3 to the power 2. This minus sign remove. Then we take 1 by 3 to the power 2. Now result is 1 by 3 into 3 and result becomes 1 by 9. Now result number 6. Suppose base is m and again base is n. Powers are same. A. It means m raised to the power a into n raised to the power n. In this case, power will be taken common. So mn to the power a. 3 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. So in this case, 3 into 2 to the power 2, 6 to the power 2 equal to 36. But in opposite case, 3 to the power 2 means 9 or 2 to the power 2 means 4. So 9 4 are 36. Both results are same. Our rule is verified. Now 7 number. n raised to the power n divided by n raised to the power n. So in this case, you will take a as a common. Okay, and this one is written as m by n raised to the power a. Okay, this one is n. Example 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2. So in this case 3 divided by 3, see here, 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3. So in this case 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 and this is written as 3 by 2 to the power 3 and result becomes 3 to the power 3 minus 2 to the power 3 equal to 27 by 4. Now children, come to next subtopic, exponents of rational number. So you see here, let a by b be not equal to 0. Be a rational number. Rational number. See this one. A by b is a positive integers. Positive rational number. Rational number. Then a by b raised to the power n equal to a by b to the power n equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. Okay. Now case 2, a by b is a negative rational number because we know that there are two types of rational number, positive and negative. Then minus a by b, see minus a by b raised to the power n. Then its result is a by b to the power n or minus a by b to the power n. In this case, where n equal to, this is positive value, it means n is even number. But in this case, minus a by b raised to the power n value is in negative, then it means n equal to odd numbers. Now children, next topic is laws of exponents on rational number. See here, let a by b be any rational number and m and n be any integers. So rule 1, say a by b raised to the power m into a by b raised to the power n. Here again base are same, then power will be added, m plus n. Second rule say a by b raised to the power m divided by a by b raised to the power n. So then result is a by b raised to the power m minus n, because it is in the form of divide. Base are same, but in this case powers are different. It is in the form of divide, so power will be subtract. Now third number, a by b raised to the power n will raised to the power n. Then a by b the power m into n. Fourth number, a by b raised to the power 0, then its value is 1. Now rule 5 say a by b to the power minus 1, then its value is 1 by a by b. Now result becomes b by a. So a by b raised to the power minus 1 means this one. Sixth rule. In this case powers are different, m into n, and powers are a by b, a by b. Then m into n raised to the power a by b. Rule 7. Root under x to the power m n. In this case x to the power m by n. See example. Suppose you know root under x means x to the power 1 by 2, because we know here is power 1 and we have 2. So this one is written as 1 by 2. Cube root of x is written as x to the power 1 by 3. It means here is 1 we have. So x to the power 1 by 3. Okay, children, that's it. This is your rule law of exponents. Exercise I will teach you in next part. ठीक है, exercise already given in PDF file. Thank you for watching my video.